Welcome. I'm going to use this video to show you how to use the navigation pane in Microsoft Word to quickly move around your document. If you use heading styles to format the headings in your document, you can then use the navigation pane to quickly move around your document. From the View tab, select the navigation pane tick box. The navigation pane will then be displayed. Text formatted using heading styles will be listed. In this example, extended holidays is formatted using heading 1 and Spain, Italy and France with heading 2, and so on. You can then use the navigation pane to quickly move to a section in the document. If you have a large number of headings in a document, you can collapse and expand each section. If you have any questions regarding this feature or Word in general, please feel free to contact me.